Change prices on TikTok shops. Today we are going to learn how to change prices on TikTok shops. So let's get started. First, open TikTok shop. Launch the TikTok app on your mobile device. Number 2, go to your TikTok shop. Access your TikTok shop. This may be a separate section within the app dedicated to your shop or a feature integrated in your profile. Number 3, navigate to product management. Look for an option related to managing your product. This section should allow you to view and edit the details of the items you have listed. Number 4, edit product details. Within the product management section, find the specific product for which you want to change the price. There should be an option to edit the product details. Number 5, adjust the price. Once you are in the editing mode for the product, look for the pricing information. You should be able to change the price or update any other relevant details. Number 6, save changes after making the unnecessary adjustments. Save the changes. There may be a save or update button that you need to click to apply the modifications. Number 7, return to Discover feed optional. If you want to switch back to the Discover feed at any time, you can do so by tapping on the Discover tab or swiping left on the screen until you return to the Discover page. That's how you can change prices on TikTok shop.